One quick look at your phone, one notification, one message, and suddenly you have missed the warning that could have prevented an accident. Phones are one of the biggest distractions in today's workplace. Whether you are driving a forklift, operating machinery, or simply walking through a busy work area. Looking at your screen for just a few seconds can take your attention away from real hazards. Accidents do not wait for you to finish checking your notifications. The safest workers know when to disconnect. Keep your phone in your pocket unless it is needed for work or you are on an approved break. If you need to answer an important call or message, move to a safe location first. Staying focused is not just about productivity, it is about protecting yourself and everyone around you. Remember, every distraction has a cost. A text can wait, a social media notification can wait, but your safety cannot. Put the phone away, stay alert, and make sure you go home safely at the end of every shift. Follow for more workplace safety tips that can help prevent accidents before they happen.